It's DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW diesel sport, beautiful condition, finished in graphite grey. It's got the black pack on, so you've got the black kidney grills on there, alloy wheels, colour coded mirrors, all black round the windows, makes it look nice and sporty. It's the 116D. Boot area is in lovely condition. It is currently on a private plate. It can come with that other plate that's on it at the moment. We've got the parcel shelf as well. Really is in lovely condition, as you can see. Inside the car, all the seats are lovely. Electric windows, electric mirrors, sports seats at the front. It's got automatic headlights. It's done 90,080 miles. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, DAB radio, 6-speed gearbox, different driving styles, sport, eco boost, all down there. Cruise control. It's really nice. Centre armrest with an AUX and a USB. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.